Hey guys, so Hotwav has announced its latest rugged phone, and the device is called the Hotwav Cyber 15. Now this is the successor of the Cyber 13 Pro, and personally this is the best rugged phone from Hotwav. I wasn't expecting the brand to release such a rugged phone, although it is not a 5G rugged phone, but it is a rugged device with a 200 MP camera, guys, and it is the Samsung ISOCELL HP3, guys. It has this giant module at the rear that contains the main 200 MP camera, a rear display, a 24 MP night vision camera, and an LED flash. And this is one of the lightest and thinnest rugged phones around. It has a thickness of just 12.8 millimeters and its weight 292 grams. Unfortunately, this device is not a 5G rugged device, but it is powered by the Helio G99, which is still a quite powerful processor, even though it's getting old. The device also has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus teardrop display with an IPS LCD panel, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. The phone has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It is backed by a 6280 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. So the front-facing camera is 32 MP. The phone runs on the Android 13 OS. In terms of protection, the phone is IP68 and IP69K compliant. It is also military-grade standard 810H certified. The phone's display is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So other features includes OTG, GPS. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and it supports face unlock. And the phone is offered in night black and bronzed gold colorways. The phone is going to be available for a very affordable price, but I don't know its official launch date yet. But if I'm to guess, I'd say the device would launch towards the ending of May. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Hotwav Cyber 15? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.